I keep telling you that you need a barbell portfolio with stocks that benefit from the pandemic and stocks that benefit from the reopening of the economy. That way you're in good shape no matter how this plays out, including days like today. And when it comes to COVID-19 winners, it doesn't get much better than Cramer fave Five9, the cloud-based contact center software play. Their platform allows call center operators to transition to a work-from-home model in just 48 hours, which makes Five9 essential during this difficult period. While the stock initially crashed from $80 down to the low 50s along with the rest of the market, it came roaring back since the March bottom. At these levels, Five9's up nearly 100% from the lows, and it's close to where it was trading before the crash. The darn thing started making new all-time highs again in April. Now, 2 weeks ago, Five9 reported an excellent quarter, and the guidance for the current period was a bit higher than expected. How many can say that? Even if they also lowered their full-year forecast, so there's not total perfection here. Still, they are doing very, very well. Can the stock keep soaring? Let's check in with Rowan Trollope. He's the CEO of Five9 to get a better read on how his company's doing, where it's headed. Mr. Trollope, welcome back to Mad Money.
Hey, Jim. Good to see you again.
Okay, so, Rowan, a lot of people say to me, Jim, it's just a call center. Why are you so excited? I know when you were talking in front of J.P. Morgan recently, you made the point, listen, it's a contact center is more than a call center. It's how people get in contact. So you just please go through and tell people it's not like 1-800-59.
Absolutely, yeah. So we make the software that allows companies or businesses to connect with their customers, whether that's on digital channels like chat on your website or SMS or a telephone call. That's really all our software. It's web-based, so it's very easy for your agents to log in. As you mentioned, that allows agents to work from home very easily. And for a lot of businesses, Jim, today, as you know, their contact center has really become the only front door for those businesses. You know, there's a lot of companies that I used to interact with by walking in the front door, and I can't do that right now. What do I have to do? I have to call them or message them. And frankly, in a lot of cases, that's a reasonably good, even a better experience in some ways. So that's what I think is driving, frankly, this rush towards the contact center.
Now, you also make the point that not only should everybody be in a situation where they should use yourself for a contact center, that the people you're appealing to are quite conservative. So it isn't like you can come in and say, listen, it works a lot of the time. You're offering a reliability that may exceed what they currently have.
Absolutely. You know, the name of the company, Five9, means 99.999% of reliability. So we're really one of the most reliable solutions in the market. People that are looking for, if the only front door to your business is your contact center, or if that's really, really important that you engage with your customers, you don't want that door to be locked or to be broken. You need it to be open all the time so that your business can continue to execute. And we've seen, since the COVID crisis, we definitely have seen acceleration of new companies that are seeing this as an option for them to continue to do business.
Okay, so your CFO recently said that there's clearly a large portion of the incremental COVID orders that are temporary. Now, this was said May 14th, so it's recently. I'm beginning to question how temporary they really are. I'm starting to see issues like the environment, issues like the infrastructure, I don't know how broken down it is, issues about the way people can interact so easily. I'm not so sure this is undone so easily. Do you think everyone's really just waiting to get to the office?
No, I think work from home is here to stay, Jim. We did a survey of our customers. 75% of our customers said that they plan to continue leveraging work from home in a post-COVID world. Only 25% said that they were going to go back to the way that things were. And we asked why. And it's simple. Number one, it's cheaper. Number two, it's more flexible. Agents, working from home get to have more flexible schedules, the ability to pick up their kids from school, all that kind of stuff. So flexible. And third, access to talent. If you can access the whole country, not just the place where you happen to build your call center or your contact center, you get access to more talent. And I think, frankly, this is a very interesting opportunity for us to put America back to work. I watch your show all the time, Jim, and I know you talk about those unemployment numbers. We have 6.9 million contact center representatives here in U.S. businesses, many of whom are offshored. So there's a work from home opportunity here for companies to cost effectively onshore their contact center operations, leveraging work from home agents. And we have an example of that, actually. One of our customers, NextRep, their CEO, Teddy Liaw, has done an amazing job. Just since COVID, he has hired 3,000 work from home agents just in the last several months.
Now, that is a good story. I mean, other than Walmart and Target and Amazon, I didn't know there were companies that were hiring. So I'm glad that you mentioned that, because we do talk a lot to the people who cannot find jobs, who do watch the show and just want to make something better themselves. One of the reasons why I think you can do this is because there is very inexpensive video software, Zoom. Now, since I've seen you last, you've done a partnership with Zoom. How's that going?
It's going great. Eric Yuan is a phenomenal leader, and he has really tapped Five9 to provide his customers with an amazing contact center. He himself uses Five9 internally, so their business has boomed, and so they're using it internally, and they're offering it to their customers. We're jointly selling Zoom to our customers, Zoom Phone, and then the Zoom folks are recommending Five9. So it's been a phenomenal partnership, and I just view Eric Yuan as one of the great leaders in Silicon Valley today.
He's a total Five9er. I mean, when I sent him an email, I asked him if he wanted to join a family brunch. Within 30 seconds, he goes, "What time?" I mean, he's obviously a Five9 guy who has a great relationship with you. And if people haven't tried you or tried Zoom and then go through you, it is like what it used to be, where you have service, except for you can also see the people. It's really pretty amazing. You've brought back service, and it's a great thing.
Yeah, that's a big part of our DNA. And, this is a huge opportunity for Five9. We're executing, frankly, really well. It is about execution to capture this big opportunity. A lot of folks have been saying that we're one of the few SaaS companies that's considered to be one of these all-weather companies. Last time, Jim, you and I were on, we talked about the, sort of being a little bit old-fashioned, focused on profit. We have a 19% EBITDA margin last year, 50 million in cash flow from operations, all while growing our business, 27, last quarter, 28%. So we have a high growth business, but we're also profitable.
And that's why from the day one, we thought you were the one. It's been terrific. Thank you so much to Rowan Trollope, CEO of Five9, FIVN. It's why we go out to San Francisco, meet people, and then follow up remotely. Thank you so much, Rowan. Good to see you.
Thanks, Jeff. Great to see you.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.